Welcome back to another episode of After Hours Marketing. Today I'm going to show you exactly how I optimize a page for SEO. I know there's a lot out there already, but I just want to show you my way that works extremely well for me. I've ranked hundreds and hundreds of websites this way. So let's get right into it. Let's head over here. If you've watched my video on how to optimize an image, I have the image in place right here. I recommend you go watch that video. There's a lot of good stuff in there. It's not just putting alt text on your image. So make sure you go watch that video. But in this one, I'm going to show you how to target a specific keyword for a page so that it ranks extremely quickly and well for the keyword you're targeting. Let's say, okay, this article is optimized already for Brazil SEO consultant. I'm actually gonna put that up there, but what you don't want to do is, well, you can actually name this here whatever you want, but using my SEO plugin, SEO by Yoast, I'm actually going to, you want to put your focus keyword in there and it'll tell you some information, but what you want to do is have your title. So that's the title that's going to show up in Google. That's this right there, and that's how you can see what it looks like currently. But we're gonna have here, you don't want just this. If you just put your keyword in the title, you're not gonna rank as well as if you have extra, because Google sees this as being over optimized for your keywords. So what you want to do is put some other content in there. So like, Nate is the best Brazil consultant of 2013. Google likes that way better. And then down here, you want to put your keyword towards the beginning. This plugin picks is actually doing that for you. They put the keyword in the beginning, and then they randomly grab some text from the article. I recommend you write your own, but for this case, I'm just gonna put in the title. Make sure it's unique, but I just put that in there, and then I'm just gonna like copy some stuff. But you definitely want to write a unique thing, and you want your keyword to be close to the front. And I actually try to get that keyword in the meta description twice. People say meta descriptions don't matter. They definitely matter. See how it runs off? That doesn't fit. But I do have it in there again. So it'll bold it for each time you have it in there. And then I'm going to go up here. And like I said, you can, I'm going to copy that. Like I said, you can have this just your keyword, or you can name it something completely different. It really doesn't matter. As long as you have your SEO title with your keyword in it, your meta description with the keyword towards the beginning, then you can have your page called whatever. But you want here, I'm going to copy that again. You want your keyword, Brazil SEO consultant, you want that as the URL. And you want to make the URL nice and short, and you do not want to include a bunch of random other stuff, and you only want to have the keyword. So if it's to slash Brazil SEO consultant, don't have anything else. I mean, you can, but it's a lot better, a lot more targeted, a lot more focused. You just have your keyword, and you don't want to have something like slash something then slash then your keyword. You want your keyword as far up, as close to the main domain as possible. That's if you're using like a authority domain to rank a keyword and not using exact match domains. And then in your article, we got Brazil SEO consultant here, but you really want, I'm just going to copy that. You really want to put this with your keyword in the first sentence. I'm just gonna write that, but you can write whatever you want. But I don't want to. Actually, I'm not gonna write a sentence right now. But you want your keywords in the first sentence, definitely in the first paragraph, and you want your keyword. I try to shoot for 1%. This plugin is going to tell me a percentage in a second as soon as I save it as a draft. If I save it as a draft, now I do have that keyword throughout. You can see it here. 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 It's probably over optimized, so I'm actually going to check. So now you can see it here, 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 and then you switch tabs. You can see they're warning me that I don't have enough content. So let's just double the amount of content, so that they don't yell at me for that. So it says I'm green, but if you actually go over here, it says the images on this page do not have alt. Really? Well, I'm pretty sure I did it. So I'm going to click edit this image. Alt text. That's interesting. It's in there. Do not have alt text containing my thing. So Brazil SEO consultant, right? So let's go back. I think we were targeting it's a different alt text that was in my other video using the image optimization. I was targeting a different keyword. So if I save that, it's gonna update. So I love this plugin because you just can knock out each one. It says it's not readable, so I don't necessarily worry about this that much, but 48 is pretty bad. So that's because I did copy the first paragraph and copy it again. So they notice that it's just like duplicate content over and over again. And that's why it's not technically readable according to their algorithm. So I'm not going to worry about that. But if I actually did write the second half myself, I mean, having it unique or whatever, this would be green, and that would be fine. So here's the page title contains the word or phrase, but it does not appear to be in the beginning. Try to move it towards the beginning. See, that's what I said. It needs to be really close up. The reason it says it's not in the beginning, because we have an image in front. So let's just try moving one down. I just want to see because sometimes the plugin can be a little picky, right? That's interesting. Well, either way, I know what's in the beginning. Sometimes the plugin is weird. Best SEO consultants right there. Meta description, it says it's over. I mean, yellows aren't that bad. Saying that the meta description is too long, that's fine. That doesn't matter as much. No outbound links. This is actually really important. And a lot of people don't do this. You do want outbound links on your page. People say, well, you're giving SEO juice to another website. That's fine. What you need to do is like SEO consultant, go over to Wikipedia. This is an authority domain. You want to link out to authority pages. I'm going to search this. SEO redirect from SEO consultant. Sure. We're going to page all about a search engine. So whatever your topic is, whatever your keyword is, find a topic on Wikipedia about your page. Drop it in a link, reference, something like that. You can shorten it with a bit.ly or pretty link. I don't actually have pretty link installed on my WordPress install right now, but pretty link is an awesome plugin. I can shorten this down, so it would be like after hours marketing /reference, and this would be the link, and then save that. And then I'm gonna fix this issue, which now it gives me that green. So another thing you do want, is a headline, an H2, and I and again, you don't want just your keyword as the H2. So I know it's at the bottom. It shouldn't be. There should be more text or whatever. So I'm just going to drop one in there. here, and then you're going to see an H2, and then there should be more text underneath. But you shouldn't just have your keyword as the H2. Again, that's kind of like over optimized. You should have something else. Best SEO consultant according to popular vote. So something like that. So you want your keyword with some other stuff as an H2, and that will solve that. So now I've knocked all this. This is a little bit over. That's fine. That's kind of is an issue with the plugin not recognizing because the image is in front of it for some reason. Not sure, but Brazil consultant is in there definitely. And then this is because I just copied it. So if you actually had a written article long enough, then that would have been it. And that's it, guys. Like literally. Oh, here's what I wanted to show you. Keyword is 2.8%. Now I'm pretty sure this plugin doesn't pick up the fact that my image has a title tag and alt text using and the JPEG, all using the keyword choice. But I try to shoot for my keyword density between 1 and 2%, because after your image is calculated, it's using your and if you watch my image optimization video, then you'll see why the keyword density is actually higher, because I stuff the image with a lot of keyword rich information on the back of the details of the JPEG. So but that's basically at 1 to 2%, and you should be good. Don't go any higher than 3. Definitely don't go any higher than 3%, because it will be richer than just what's in the content when you consider everything. So that's it. That's how I optimize a page for SEO for a certain keyword. And in another video, I'll show you guys how to target multiple keywords on a single page, and it's pretty similar, but that'll be in that video. So until next time, guys, like, comment, and share this video on Facebook, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next marketing video. Cheers.